core beliefs are by far the biggest thing when it comes to manifestation blocks. So changing your core beliefs is so crucial, and the way we do this is through shifting our identity of the person that we are today to the person that we want to be. So let's use the example of money, because that seems to be something that's always hot on the press for people. What if one of our core beliefs is that we never get enough money, or we never have enough money, or I have always just lacked money, or I've never been able to hold it? What if that's our core belief? So it's really simple. Just need to take some time, some paper, maybe write it down. You can do this on your phone too. That's what I did. And you're just going to write down what you want your belief to be. And this could be, I always come into money easily. I make excess amounts of money so I can donate it and help out my family. I am always somebody who manages money good. This is literally what you need to do. And from this state of being, you're going to constantly remind yourself every single day of that belief change. You are reframing your identity. And it's going to seem weird at first. It's going to feel unknown. It's going to seem like, what is this really doing? But if you persist in this 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, by the end of a month, by the end of even a day, you're going to feel better. But 3 days, and especially by the end of the week, you're going to notice profound changes in your mindset about money in this sense, or whatever belief you're trying to basically change for yourself. And it's going to show up in your life. There's going to be new people you meet. There's going to be new emails you get, new texts, new random run-ins with people, new epiphanies or ideas that just pop into your head about, okay, I can do this to make myself even more of a money magnet. Or maybe you're trying to get a relationship. I can change my identity a little more and have a little different affirmation of like, oh, I always run into people that are so lovely, and maybe one day they'll be my significant other, right? That's about changing your core beliefs, is changing into the person you want to be and acting like that person.